everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a filter on Snapseed app. Let's get started. First, open your Snapseed apps, and then in here you can click anywhere for add the photo, and in here you can choose a photo that you want to edit. Maybe this one. And after this, if you wanna add the filter, you just click on the looks, this one, click on it, and in here you can see many filter from Snapseed. You can choose everything you like. Maybe I wanna choose this one, I wanna try this one, or this one, or maybe this one. Yeah, you can choose everything you like, and then after this you can click check icon in here and finish. After this you can export the photo, and then that's how to add a filter on Snapseed apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy its content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.